In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix shortcuts not showing in Google Chrome. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying when you don't have your shortcuts working on Chrome, especially when they're just like, they take you less than 1 second to press, and then you're instantly on a page that you're commonly on. So to fix this is what you have to do. Firstly, obviously, open up Google Chrome. It's going to look something like this. And as you can see, my shortcuts are right here. You can also press add shortcut, and like the maximum amount of shortcuts you can have on your page is 10. So right now I have 9, which is why I have an add shortcut thing right here. But if they're not showing up, all you want to do is press customize Chrome on the bottom right. Once you press that, you're going to be able to change like the colors and stuff, change it to light mode if you want to, or, change it to your device's mode. Like, for example, I'm on dark mode on Windows, and then it would just keep it at that, because it's on my device. But I would have to just scroll down if my shortcuts aren't showing. And right here, there's a little shortcut subsection, and you just have to make sure that show shortcuts is enabled. And as you can see right now, you can't see any shortcuts or anything like that. So you just want to go back to customize Chrome, go down, press show shortcuts, and then you can change it from shortcuts that are created by you to your most visited sites as well, if you want to do that as well. So I'm just going to keep it as my shortcuts, but yeah, you can literally just choose whichever one you want to do. If you just prefer most visited sites, you can just do that as well.